Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video is going to be a holiday gift guide for the gym girlies. She can be a running girly, an active girly. I feel like this will cover a lot of bases and take you at least to the right websites to know where to get the goods. Yeah, I have a pretty lengthy list, but I'm gonna do what I did last year, and I'm gonna have down in the description any links, any codes, as well as probably a Google Doc that has links to all of this stuff, because I just feel like you guys liked that last year, and I think it's a lot easier if you don't want to send this video to someone but you just want to send the links to that document to somebody. You can do that as well. And basically everything in this I own, and I know that I wanted it and I enjoy it quite a bit, so I think that any girl would really enjoy these things. Honestly, this list is kind of wild. It goes from like things that could be $1 to things that could be like 1,000, so just bear with me. There's something for everybody. I just wanted to kind of hit the different ideas that I had. Let's just hop right into it. Okay, I'm just gonna start off strong. We're gonna talk about gym clothing. Everything that I own and wear is Honor Active. I am biased, but I love their stuff. Quality is 10 out of 10. I can definitely recommend it, and I'm not going to talk too much about it. I'm going to do a whole Black Friday Honor Active sale video that I will get up before Black Friday so you guys can watch it and hopefully grab some things. They don't do sales often at all, so if you guys can get stuff for on sale, that's obviously going to be ideal. I love Honor. Before I worked with Honor, I bought so much Honor, so I know that it's a little bit on the pricier side. Quality is great though, and so it's worth the price at normal price, but I just know when you want to get more into your collection, it's better to buy on a sale. So there will be restocks of Effortless Classic and Lounge, so pretty much everything. I can't guarantee every single color, but I do know there's going to be restocks, and I will go into detail about everything on that video. But if you just want like a brief overview, my top picks for the sale are just from Honor Active in general. Any Effortless bottom, 10 out of 10. So flattering, so good, just so good. So any Effortless bottom, any of their sports bras, but my top picks are gonna be the new micro bralettes. They look like this. I'll just show you. Love it. Wear it all the time. Or their crop tops. I really enjoy them. They have two kinds. I personally prefer the kind with the cutout in the back. And then anything sweatsuit. Literally anything sweatsuits. I think I wear their sweat stuff every single day, possibly several items a day. I'm currently wearing an oversized hoodie. I'm wearing their shorts. I wear their sweatpants every day for the winter. They have the crop zips that are super good. Like, you just really can't go wrong with Honor Active, but those would be my most worn top things that I would recommend. So just wanted to get that out the way first. If you guys have more questions about Honor Active, go to the video that will be up. That is my Black Friday haul and sale. Even if it's past Black Friday, just to get an insight on all the pieces and see them tried on and everything, sizing, all that will be in that video. But I didn't want this video to just be an Honor Active ad, so getting that out the way, and we're gonna go into some other things. So I'm gonna start with gym bag and then stuff to go in the gym bag. I just feel like that's a really good idea for a gift. If somebody doesn't already have all those things, or even if they have a few of the things but not everything, you can get the rest for their gym bag. I just feel like it would be cute because you could buy them a gym bag and stuff it. I don't know, I feel like that's a fun idea. I would like that if I didn't already have it. But starting with gym bags, 10 out of 10. Vouray is the only company. I've been using it for the past 3 years. I shopped Vouray before I worked with them, and I got one bag and then I started working with them, so I've had the luxury of like trying a bunch of their other ones, so I know which ones are best for the gym. My number one is going to be the Alana duffel. It is just the perfect bag for the gym. It's not even advertised to be a gym bag, but I use it all the time. It's basically just an over-the-shoulder gym bag. I use the weekender size. It's pretty big, but I bring so much to the gym. I have a video on my Instagram of what's in my gym bag. I'll pop that reel on the screen right now, but that is how much I can fit inside of that bag. So I think it's really good for someone who brings a lot to the gym. If they're a content creator or they just are a power lifter, they just bring a lot of stuff, it will fit a lot. If you don't bring as much stuff to the gym, the Elena duffel, they also have it a mini or a standard size, both of which are really good as well. If you don't bring much to the gym at all but you want to bring something, they have a mini backpack that I really like. I got that for my mom as a gift for her birthday and she really enjoyed it. They also have fanny packs now as well, which are also good if you guys just are going on like a hot girl walk and you want something to carry your keys and your phone. I think that's a great option. All of these things I love and use from them. Quality is really good. I've had most of these for like 2 to 3 years, have had no issues or breakdown with the quality. I do have a code with them. It is Legs with Schmegs. I believe during Black Friday it should be 20% off. I'll have to verify, but either way it's at least minimum 10% off plus their deals. Now, as far as things to go in it, I always recommend Upper Gear. I don't work with them or like have a link or anything, but they did send me a little care package with this stuff, and everything is so good. If there's one thing to get from there, it is going to be their barbell pad. It is the best barbell pad I've ever gotten from anywhere. I feel like sometimes barbell pads are nothing and they're so unsupportive and painful painful. So these ones, the cushion is insane. It's like 1.5 inches of cushion all around, really good. Obviously it's a little big, so you have to put it in your bag, but I think it's worth it for your hip thrust days, especially if you thrust heavy. And then some other accessories that I think are good for girls just to have: lifting strap, ankle attachments. Theirs look really good. I don't have them, but they look good. They look better than the one I have. And then they have more affordable lifting belts as well. I'm going to tell you guys next about a different belt option that I use that I get so many questions about, but I will say that Upper Gear has good belt options. If you're looking for a more affordable and probably a cuter looking one, I would get it from Upper, but I personally use the Inzer Forever Lever 10mm belt. Very heavy duty, very heavy, very big, but I think a very good investment if you're somebody that is going to be lifting for a very long time. It's made to last forever, and it has a lot of different adjustability to it, and I just think it's really good for anyone who's like lifting heavier. The next thing that I feel like I get questions about all the time are my Notorious Lift Slippers. I definitely recommend getting these for someone. I feel like it's something that a lot of people still don't have yet. I like to call them the next best thing from lifting barefoot, because a lot of gyms, one, don't allow it, and two, it's kind of dangerous to do that. So I would recommend the Notorious Lift Slippers any day. They prioritize foot health, so they have a wider toe box so that you're not as compressed. That's an issue that people have even been seeing with Converse now. So it's less restrictive. It honestly feels like a sock on your foot, but then the bottom has more of a grip to it, which is really nice for, they were originally made for sumo deadlifts, so people think you can only wear them for that, but you can wear them for any leg day lifts, and a lot of people wear them for bench if you really want to focus on your leg drive. Yeah, I'm just recommending them because I literally wear them every leg day and I get questions about them all the time. And then as far as shoe recommendations that aren't for in the gym, I highly recommend Hoka's. I just got some. I got the Bondi 7s, and they're actually on sale because I think they came out with 8s, so 7 is old. They're really nice. I really, really like them. They're the first time that I've ever bought like a true running shoe. I know the brand Brooks is also seen to be very good. I've been loving New Balances. Obviously love Nike, but I wear Nike more as like leisure than I do in the gym now. But yeah, I feel like getting shoes is always a really fun gift because it's typically something you're not as willing to pay for yourself. Oh, and the last thing would be obviously socks. If she wears like crew socks, or maybe like you could get someone hiking boots and hiking socks if you guys are like gonna travel or you like to hike a lot, depending on where you live. I just think things like that are super fun and different, and again, possibly something that someone's not planning to already get themselves. If for any reason they like to record their lifts, they do content, they have a fitness Instagram, definitely like some form of portable charger and tripod would be a really good gift as well. The other thing could be like bands for warming up and pull-ups. I use a Rogue band, Rogue Fitness. I have seen on Amazon, I have an Amazon storefront, and I recently just bought this pack, and it's like for pull-ups progression, so super heavy to light pull-up bands in case someone's working on their pull-ups or just for like mobility before and after training. I think another good idea is like if you're getting someone a gym bag, get like gym snacks. I feel like I never have snacks in my gym bag, but I want them in there. And then supplements is another thing. I work with Women's Best, so I obviously always recommend their stuff. I really like it, but just get whatever brand that person enjoys. I would recommend from Women's Best at the moment Fit Whey protein, their energy drinks, or a pre-workout. And then they sell creatine, which I know a lot of people are interested in starting to use, and even just like the shaker cups. No one can have enough of those, so things like that I think are really cool and good for giving as a gift. And I do have a support link and code with them, which will, all that will be down below. The next thing I'll recommend is scrunchies, hair ties, anything like that is always utilized. And then this claw clip, I'm just gonna say it, this is the best claw clip ever, and I posted it on my Instagram and someone was like $8 for a claw clip. I can get this for $1. No, you can't. You can't get this one for $1. This is the best claw. I don't have super thick hair, but my roommate does, and it's the only claw clip that her hair can fit in. And so if this doesn't sell you, I don't know what will. It's from Altered State. It was really random. The day that we got them, we just went in there and we were like, oh, let's just buy these. And they ended up becoming my favorite clip. I wear it all the time for my workouts, and it's just very big and cute. It's big, but it's really cute. And I've had this for a long time. It doesn't break or anything like that. So definitely recommend it if it's a claw clip girly. The next thing is Caseify cases, and I know you're probably like, what? Like what? First of all, a phone case, anyone can have a new one, so that's always good. But I just know these gym girlies be throwing their phone across the gym when they start their set, launching it onto the floor. And these have like the little bumper baddies here on the side. So I think it's a good case. 10 out of 10. You can also get like custom cases now, so you can get a case and put their name on it for them, which I think is really cute, or like their initials. I think they do phone wallets, they do all kinds of stuff, and I think it's cute. And then that leads me to more like electronic stuff. One thing I was thinking is AirPods or new headphones if they don't already have them. I know a lot of people are loving like the over-the-ear headphones now, and so that's definitely an option if you're looking for a more big expensive gift. An Apple Watch as well, and the bands for it. If they already have an Apple Watch, you could just buy them like a pack of those like adjustable bands. I see them all the time on Amazon. I have a few. They're very nice, and it's just kind of nice to have different colors and stuff to make it cute. I put notebook planner vibes. I know a lot of people, there's like a lot of wellness planners, notebooks, things like that to kind of track daily habits when it comes to mental wellness and well-being, or there's some that are for physical wellness and well-being. And I've also seen different cute designs for things that are meal planning for the week, grocery prep, to-do lists, like just cute little stationery things. And then these are the things that are really high in price that may not be realistic, but I just wanted to put them because I recently got them this year and I use them all the time. But one is going to be adjustable dumbbells. I just got these from Better Body. They're very, very good. They're expensive. I do have a code that I think drops the price down a little bit, but they are an investment for sure. But they're basically like adjustable dumbbells. I think they're 0 to 45 pounds. I'm slowly trying to make a space at home to where I could work out at home so I don't always have to go to the gym. So if the person in your life wants to kind of have more home equipment, isn't comfortable in a gym, gets anxiety, I don't know, whatever it could be, getting an adjustable set is maybe better for space and price points depending on what you can find. Another option is Facebook Marketplace. I know people put on there all the time like used gym equipment that you could find and get for somebody. So just an option for someone if they're trying to slowly build a home gym is to help them out with that, because that is expensive. My other thing is a walking treadmill. I did a whole video on one that I own. Obviously you can use whatever one you want, but the one that I did a video on I know for sure is good. Overall, I really have been enjoying it. I've been using it a lot. I put it in front of my TV and I just watch a show for like 45 minutes. It's good for the cold winter months for people who can't go on walks outside. So I really like it. I think it's worthwhile. I also think it's good in combination with a standing desk. If for some reason this person is like work from home, I have the Flexi Spot standing desk. I think I also have a video on that, so I'll pop that somewhere on the screen. This is not sponsored to plug. I just genuinely use these things all the time. But you could put, I've seen a lot of people, they put their treadmill under their standing desk and then they work and walk at the same time. It's just giving fit girl vibes. So I just wanted to pop those as options if you're looking to like really ball out for whoever you're getting a gift for that's like really ballin'. And then my last things are kind of more if you want more of a broad thing to give someone, or you want to put it, tuck it in with other things that I think would be super cute. So one is money towards a fitness app or subscription, coaching program, whatever. You can get them like a class pass if they do like Orange Theory, things like that. So I just want to note that as an option too. If they voice that they're interested in trying something or doing something, you can get them the money towards it, because typically that is the biggest reservation when it comes to lifestyle change, is investing in yourself and your health. And so doing that for them could help them to make that plunge if they're newer to it. The other thing is going to be gift cards, which I feel like are overlooked. I love gift cards. If I could just get gift cards, I wouldn't even care, because I love having them. It makes it feel like you're getting something for free, which you are, but it's like, it's just nice to have. Some options though, one would be grocery store gift cards. I feel like these are so overlooked. My grandma would always send me Kroger gift cards, and it was the biggest blessing when you wanted to buy a bunch of stuff at the store and cut down the bill, because groceries really add up. And for a gym person, they're probably really focused on their nutrition. Chick-fil-A, everyone loves Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, Starbucks. You just can't go wrong. You probably know where they like things best, so get them a gift card for it. Oh, and my last few things are kitchen related. So I obviously, if you don't already have like air fryer, blender, that kind of thing, 10 out of 10 recommend. I feel like those are things you use a lot, and it's kind of nice to just have a nice one. It's also like a long-term investment, so once you get one, you don't have to buy another one for a long time. As far as pans, I recently got Hexclad stuff and it's really nice. Definitely pricier, but depending on where you're at in life, if you just need to stock up on something nice quality for long term, I really like their stuff. My mom loves Le Creuset pans, I believe it is, so that's an option. Even just things like Tupperware containers for someone to meal prep, things like that. Just thoughtful gifts that kind of think about someone's lifestyle and how you can get them something to complement it that could just even be like fun. I love this veggie chopper from Amazon. I use it all the time and it's just something different and fun. That's all I'm thinking of off the top of my head. I definitely missed a lot of stuff, and if I missed anything and I think of it, I'm gonna put it in that document thing that I'm gonna put down below for you guys. But hopefully this in some way, shape, or form helped inspire you guys with gifts. I know gifts can be hard and it can be difficult to think of what to get someone, and so hopefully this was helpful. Or if you're just watching for inspiration of what to ask for, hopefully I hit some good marks for you and you have some things that you want to request, and just send them the links down below. Some of them are support links, so they will help me, give me a little extra commission for the holidays. I appreciate you guys. I know this is a very sale-ish time and people constantly plugging themselves, so I'm sorry about that, but honestly, I recommend all this stuff. I love all this stuff, and I think you cannot go wrong with any of it. I love it all and highly recommend it. So if you guys have any questions, or if there's anything I didn't expand on when it comes to sizing or things like that for certain things, things or just how I like some of the things that I own, feel free to comment or DM me and I'll try to get back to you. But that is going to finish up this gift guide, and hopefully this is up before Black Friday, and hopefully you guys can get a bunch of stuff on Black Friday for the low. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.